Hey guys, welcome to Home Screen. This is how to clear cache and boost RAM in Windows. So first one is simply go to the start menu and right click on it and go to the task manager and then go to the performance and go for the memory. And as you can see guys, my cache is almost 8.3. So pretty much that is a huge one. So just simply go to the browser and search for RAMMap. And from here, it will be a Microsoft. So click on the first one. And from here, guys, you could just simply scroll down a little bit and you could just simply download the RAM map and go to the top right over here and go to the folder and right click on it and go for extract all and then select a location, and after that just simply open the application and click on yes, and from here click on agree, and from here just simply wait for it to load up. And now it will take some time as it runs your system, and after that you could just simply select empty at the top over here and go for empty standby list. And from here guys, as you can see, my cache has been lowered, and there you go. See ya.